Hi, this is Eric Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the water inlet on your Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool Corporation dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn-Air, Amana, and more. If you need a new water inlet valve for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The dishwasher's water inlet valve controls the flow of the water to the appliance. The valve opens and closes to allow the passage of water during the appropriate stages of the dishwasher's cycle. If the water inlet valve fails, the dishwasher may experience water supply issues like not filling with enough water or simply not filling at all. Alternatively, if the water inlet has a leak, water may seep into the dishwasher when not in use. A leaky valve can also cause the dishwasher to overfill. The water valve is not designed to be cleaned or serviced, so if it becomes clogged, it should be replaced. Before you start this repair, disconnect power and turn off water to the dishwasher. Note that we are filming this repair from the side to make seeing this process easier. You can complete this repair with the dishwasher installed. In order to gain access to the water inlet valve, you'll need to remove the access panel, which is held in place by these two retainers. Using a flat-headed screwdriver, turn the retainers a quarter turn to the left. Then, pull the access panel out from underneath the dishwasher. The water inlet valve is located here. Place a towel or sheet pan under the dishwasher to catch any water that may leak. Using an adjustable wrench, disconnect the water supply line to the water inlet valve. Then, using a 1/4-inch nut driver, remove the screw holding the water inlet valve to the dishwasher's frame. Disconnect the electrical connector by depressing the locking tab. Then, disconnect the drain loop hose clamp by depressing the locking tabs and sliding it off the inlet valve. Then, pull the hose to remove it from the valve. Then, use slip joint pliers to remove the elbow hose fitting from the inlet valve. If you need to purchase a new Whirlpool water inlet valve, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the new elbow hose fitting to the inlet valve and tighten into place. Then, align the inlet hose to the water inlet valve and press into place. Then, reinstall the hose clamp. Reinstall the electrical connector. Then, align the water inlet valve to the dishwasher's frame and reinstall the screw. Now, reconnect the water line to the water inlet valve. Insert the panel at an angle, then align the notches on the access panel to the slots on the frame and press into place. Align the access panel retainers to the notches on the access panel so that they are oriented horizontally in the unlocked position. Finally, turn them to the right so that they are orientated vertically, securing the access panel in place. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.